The Wli Falls is West Africa's tallest waterfall and stands amid an exquisite landscape of rolling hills, forests, and bubbling streams. The Wli Waterfalls are the most popular tourist spot in Ghana. The falls are known locally as Agumatsa waterfalls, meaning allow me to flow. This waterfall, which consists of two parts, the lower fall and the upper fall, is estimated to be a 600-meter drop from the top and is one of the perennial falls in Ghana. The falls are most impressive from April to October, when you can hear and feel the water thundering down. You can spot the hundreds of straw-colored bats that nest on the adjacent cliffs next to the waterfall. The forest area has a lot of biodiversity, with 220 birds, 400 butterfly species, fruit bats, monkeys, and antelopes. Long before Wli got the attention of the tourism world, the people had always revered the mighty waterfalls and had protected them through various traditional sanctions and celebrations, which are highlighted in the Agumatsa festival held in November every year. During the festival, the people thank the gods for the falls, ancestral heroes are remembered, and the guardian spirits of the river and the mountains are invoked to continue blessing the land and its produce. On the weekends, many visitors come to the Wli Waterfall for swimming and enjoying. The plunge pool of the fall is also safe for swimming, and it is recommended that you take along your swimming gear. In addition, you can camp at the base of the fall and enjoy bonfires. You've come to the end of this immersive experience. To explore more of Africa's culture, heritage, and places to stay, visit 360africa.tours.